You did not buy the item. You bought relief. You bought confidence. You bought the feeling that maybe your life was finally changing. That takeaway after a brutal day, relief. That outfit you could not really afford, confidence. That course you bought at midnight, escape. And the worst part, it probably felt responsible, useful, deserved, maybe even productive. That is how emotional spending hides. It does not walk in looking reckless. It walks in sounding reasonable. It is only 20 pounds. I deserve this. I need something good today. This will help me start again. No, sometimes the thing you're buying is not the thing. Sometimes you're buying a break from yourself, a break from stress, a break from shame, a break from feeling behind, a break from the life you are scared you are stuck in. That is why the question is not, can I afford this? The real question is, what pain is this purchase trying to cover? If the answer makes you uncomfortable, good. That is usually where the truth is. Pause. Wait 24 hours. Then decide when you are calm. Because if the purchase only makes sense when you are emotional, it was not a decision, it was a leak. Watch the full spending boundaries video next. Download the free Wealth Autopsy Fix kit linked in bio.